They're really good in skiing. So here, so yes guys, we are here. Lakas ng snow, tapos foggy, hindi masyado clear. Doon yung mga tao. Lakad lang tayo guys. It's moving.
Yes.
So guys, we will just have a walk here in this mountain and we will discover. Okay. It's very clear. Hindi siya masyado. Yan. So wala tayong nakikita nga ng ski. Ayan.
Okay, we'll go from there.
Okay.
See?
Ayan. So someone is coming. Ayan. Ayan. Guys, we are here on the top of this mountain, and then it's very foggy and it's not clear. You see there's a lot of snow. It's just very small. It's not visible in the camera. You're tired walking. Yes. Yan. It's the Telecalvin. This area is closed. It's not yet open. So ayan guys, we will continue our walk. It's foggy, foggy, foggy and snowy. This machine is flatten the snow in the mountain, and then they have these things.
That's why you see the classical song.
Yes.
They do this one. And this the other one, but it's closed this week. Ah, he's on.
Yeah, it's too deep here. Say goodbye. So ayun, we are done walking everywhere and now we are going to the Telecalvin and then we're going down here. Sa lot of snow. Kita niyo yan, yung mga puti-puti na mahuhulog snow yan siya. Hindi siya visible kasi maliit lang yung snow. Umuulan ng snow. So foggy pa rin. Kita niyo yung bahay na yan. Tingnan ninyo, that house is built na
I don't know
18...
if it is. It's just
50.
called like that.
1850.
I don't know. It exists since that date. Shoot it, the shot.
Okay.
Not there when it-
Look, the horn of the deer. The horn of the deer is up. Ayan siya. Foggy pa rin. So, ayun. Hindi siya masyado clear. Foggy. because of the snow. Pauwi na tayo.
Machine is about 25-30 centimeters snow.
Yeah. Still here. Oh wow. They really know how to do the ski. So we continue walking.
Here when they're small, they're not tough.
Yes. Yan, hanggang Giski. Galing. Ah, nice. Mga bata, maliliit. So we are going home.
C'est pas 4 heures hein, encore, but it's soon. So
We are going down and we will ride here. Ah, okay.
we still have time, but you were cold already, right?
Yeah, it's okay. Ayan, magdalaw lang tayo dito sa taas. Yung taong nag-i-ski sa baba, tinan ninyo. So dito guys, maano siya, clear siya dito. Ayan, sa baba, nakikita natin. Ayan.
Police? You said police?
Is
What did the police do to you?
wow. Ayan siya guys. Sobrang ganda dito sa side na to. second station and we're going down again. No, third station. This is the third station. Going down. Yan, papunta tayo dun sa baba. We are going down now and it's the last telecabin.
Use your brains.
And this one.
Yeah, here they renovated these also. Big.
See how beautiful the view here.
It's big renovations they made here.
Yan guys. Yan.
Yeah, it still smells like new, this cabin, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. Nice.
And here. So, guys, natapos na yung ano natin, walk natin kanina. At dito, tignan din nyo, maganda masyado yung view. Not only focusing me, focus also there. Like this. Yes! See? Ayan. And see you later. And I will upload it in my YouTube channel. And please
Alligator.
watch.
Ouais, une grosse, tu sais pas faire. Au lieu de t'énerver sur ton téléphone.
Here. And it's foggy again. Down is very foggy. Tingnan ninyo mga bahay, guys. Ang roof is puno ng snow. Yun. Down.
In fact, see, this is a valley lateral, side valley, and this is the main valley there.
Ah, okay.
So just go after, goes down into the main valley.
So yun, dito tayo sa last station, third station na to, third station. And then after going down, the last one, go home.
Non, on va s'arrêter là parce qu'on est parqué là. Ça, c'est, il y a beaucoup construit ici. Hein.
Mhm.
Beaucoup.
Ayan, tignan ninyo. Here, it's not very snowy, but the mountain, yes. Tignan ninyo. Yan ang road. Ayun, malapit na tayo sa last station. Second to the last pala. So ayun, nasa baba na tayo. We are here in the center in the village and second to the last station na to siya. Tingnan ninyo.
Tu vois la voiture, elle est où? Non, elle est là derrière. Si, elle est. Non, elle est où? Non, elle est là-bas. Derrière.
So guys, we are done and now we are going home. I just want to film these days. Ayan.